Welcome. Today we're talking about domestic violence charges and the concern if you find yourself in that situation. Are you going to see your kids? How and when and how's that going to happen? I'm Jim Krayeveld, founder and lead attorney at Krayeveld Family Law, and over the years this question does get asked to me fairly often. The important thing is, of course, if you've been charged and you've bonded out, hire an attorney, another attorney, if you haven't already hired your criminal defense attorney, because you're going to need two attorneys, one to deal with your domestic violence charge and get that resolved. And secondly, if the victim is going to be filing for divorce, or you're going to be filing for divorce, or you've already in divorce proceedings, you need to have a family law attorney who can help with you, help out your situation. Because if you don't go see your kids because there's a no contact order in the criminal case, and the longer you have that in place, the more estranged you're going to become from your children, the bigger the uphill battle you'll have. You can't ignore the divorce case. You can't ignore whatever gets filed there. You need an attorney to file a response or to file a motion to go get parenting time, whether you're on the offensive or the defensive. You need help with that. The court system will fortunately look at the 12 best interest factors. So even though you've got one bad factor that's sitting out there, if your wife or partner is the victim in this domestic violence charge, that's one thing. Did the kids see it? Were the kids affected? Did you ever do anything to the kids? Do you have a history of domestic violence? Or is this a one-time incident where things got heated that led up to the divorce or was probably part of the divorce proceedings? The court system will look at all that. They'll look at your involvement with your kids. So if this was a one-time incident, don't let that affect your right to be raising your kids. You can get no contact orders modified even in criminal cases with your criminal attorney. But delaying any kind or ignoring any kind of a custody case or delaying your pursuit of getting parenting time with your kids is all a disadvantage to you. So don't sleep on your rights. You have every right to hire an attorney, get to court, and strive to see your kids as much as possible. It may be an uphill battle in the start, but the sooner you start that fight and the sooner you start the process, the better off you'll be so that you can regain or retain your relationship with your kids. Until next time.